This is MediKnot application. Here we are creating two IDs, one for doctor, one for patient, and doctor needs to enter its registration number and Aadhaar card to verify the doctor. Along with it, now patient needs to enter its basic details along with the Aadhaar card to verify the patient details and the OTP. Now we are logging with patient ID. Now let's add some data to get started.
So here comes the medical profile of the patient, which consists of various data representing heartbeat, blood pressure, sugar level, and hemoglobin. These are the latest values. And then his monthly visit to the doctors, his precaution with respect to the latest disease which he was having, his vulnerabilities and his allergies, all at single place, and the data of frequency of the diseases he had. Other than that, he will have the timeline of medical events which occur in his life period. Then here comes the general reports page, which will consist of all the consultation with any of the doctor which the patient has consulted before, and another section will consist of all the reports, medical reports. Now a user can add a consultation by clicking on add consultation, and by simply, so as you can see, the consultation is added successfully. And similarly, adding consultation, it will appear at the bottommost of the page. Then he can edit the consultation by adding a prescription. So if the consultation consists of any prescription, he can select various things like describing medicines which he has taken during the consultation program, and as soon as he created on add, the consultation will be added, a prescription will be added to the data. After that, he can add treatments to that consultation. So treatments consist of the description what the treatment was about. So let's say it's a fever treatment and treatment of high body temperature, and so the treatment will be added successfully. So the next part is adding a report. So we can add any report to the profile, and we simply have to write name of the report, then selecting the date when was the report taken. So let's say it's today, and we can select a report. So let's say ECG. Okay. And when we click on upload, the report will be added successfully to the dashboard. We can view this report as well. So the another feature of MediKnot is the report analysis. So report analysis gives the visualization of the data such as heart rate, blood pressure, sugar level, and hemoglobin measures, which were reported by the person from his profile. Other than from the analysis of these reports, we can analyze a report by uploading its PDF format. So for example, I am uploading a blood test report in the PDF format, and when I click on analyze, so it will give me the it will extract all the data from the report. So here comes the analyzed data from the blood report. So we have used Azure's computer vision to extract the data from the report. So this gives pretty well accurate readings from what we have seen in the hard copy. The next we have profile section, from where user can edit his details, including height, weight, blood group. He can add some allergies if he want to add. Then he can record various medical details such as health rate, blood pressure, sugar level, and hemoglobin on a regular basis. So after updating any of those, this gets reflected on the dashboard. For example, let me try this. Is adding certain values in the okay. So after adding this value, let me click on update. So as it is updated successfully, when we go on the dashboard, it will show the most recent value which we have updated, and in the report analysis part, it will analyze those information. So the another feature of MediKnot is that one can find the nearby doctors with a particular specialization. As you can see, I am currently sitting at Indore location, so it is showing me the nearby doctors in the Indore from the dataset. So if we want any particular doctor, we can search his name or specialization. So if I want some gynecologist, let me search a gynecologist. So here a list of gynecologists come. If I click on the first one, see, so this is the doctor which I needed. So it will show its location and along with the contact details, so that one can contact it in emergency times. So the next feature of the MediKnot is the search feature, where a user can search about any disease, for example, coronavirus. So after searching, it will give results such as the introduction about the disease, symptoms. Other than that, if a user is having any symptoms, for example, if he is having rashes, then he can simply search by symptoms. So our AI system will give the most appropriate disease which he could have. So for the rashes, it is giving chickenpox, chikungunya, and also it will give symptoms, other symptoms, and cures. So this was the search feature. After that, we have chatbot functionality, which is implemented using Google Dialogflow, where a user can ask any medical ad. For example, if you need symptoms of coronavirus, okay, so it will give this result. Other than that, as health data is very sensitive, so it is needed to be secure, so that nobody can access anyone's dashboard or profile or health related information. So for creating our application secure, we have implemented this first search functionality. So what this does, only some authorized person can see the profile or the dashboard of the patient. For example, this is my profile and I am giving this. For example, this is my profile and I have to give access of my profile to Ajinkya, which is a doctor. So I just need to write some details and email and send it. So this will send the invitation to the Ajinkya's email address, through which he can access my profile. So this is how the URL looks like, which is sent to the Ajinkya, and he can see all the basic details which are present on the dashboard of Krishna, and including his timeline. And comes the flow of the doctor's side, from which he or she can refer any of the patient by using his mobile number. For example, I am referring to this patient from opening his profile. I can see his dashboard, his all the basic information, his all the medical events on a timeline. Other than that, I can also add consultations to him, and also I can add reports to the report. Also, I can analyze his past medical nahi, yeah. Also, I can analyze his past medical details such as health rate, blood pressure, hemoglobin, and sugar level. Other than that, I can also connect with the patient. So, keeping the mind of the COVID scenarios, we have added feature of online consultation so that a patient and doctor can consult online. Now, look at this feature.
This is the video conferencing feature of MediKnot, through which a doctor can connect with patient virtually. Hello, Dr. Ajinkya.
Hello, Krishan. So, what is your problem?
So this was the demo of our application MediKnot. This application is extensible to many new features. Thank you.